Hey everyone, this is Missy with Aesthetic Specialty Center. I'm one of the RNs here and I've been with Dr. Yoon for about 12 years. I just wanted to talk a little bit about the difference between Coolsculpting and Liposuction. I personally have had both of the treatments done. I had liposuction on my midsection and on my back, and I've literally had Coolsculpting all over my entire body. I've done my knees, inner and outer thighs, I've done all the way around my torso, I've done my arms, and both treatments are amazing. The difference is really with Coolsculpting, it's non-invasive. There's no needles or cutting. There really isn't any downtime. You could go back to work right after your treatment. You could even go work out the same day. The results for Coolsculpting are a little different than liposuction in the fact that each treatment that you do gets rid of about 20 to 25% of the fat in the area. So for instance, if you were concerned with your arms, we would have to measure and see how many applicators we would have to put on your arm. Let's say you just needed one applicator in this area, it would reduce the fat 20 to 25% per treatment. So with that being said, most people need 2 treatments for each area. Some people go on to do a third or a fourth. It just depends on where you are in your weight loss or in your athletic journey of however you want to look. With liposuction, on the other hand, let's say we did your arms, we do it all in one setting. Now the difference is that's a surgical procedure, so there might be local anesthesia or general anesthesia where they put you to sleep. You'll have little tiny incision holes where they have to put the cannulas through to. They don't really scar. They're so small, they're probably about 1 millimeter or 2, but still there involves cutting of the skin with liposuction. But in each area that we do, you can reduce each area about 70 to 80% with one treatment. Both of them take time for the body to get rid of all the swelling. Coolsculpting takes about 3 to 4 months to get to your final result with each treatment, whereas liposuction can take up to 6 months for all of the swelling to go away. So both treatments are great. I am active, I've got kids, I work out all the time, but I still have little pockets of fat that I want to get rid of. So Coolsculpting and liposuction aren't for people that are big and they just want to get rid of bulk. It's for people that even just want to contour their body or just get rid of small little pockets. Let's talk a little bit about price too. The price can vary also. Whereas Coolsculpting we charge per applicator, and there are different sized applicators. Where liposuction we charge per area. We do complimentary consultations, so it's always great to come in. We can talk to you about the differences between both of the options and give you a quote for both of the options too to see which one fits your budget more. You have to keep in mind with Coolsculpting and all the different applicators and the different treatments, sometimes it can get to the same cost as a liposuction procedure would cost. So it's always good to go to a place that does both options. That way you can weigh out which one's better for you. So come to our office for a complimentary consultation.